Which common practice for people with stiff finger joints causes arthritis later in life? Sophie, you went and hit the trick question button. Is there a reason why?
Because that's a myth.
What is a myth?
That popping your fingers causes arthritis.
You're spot on, Sophie. 600 points running your way. Finger cracking does not correlate to arthritis. Way to sniff that out. We actually wanted to make sure we just threw out that clarification for people who've gotten that finger nod every time they've cracked their knuckles. It's okay. Do it. Look at that. Camaraderie.